Looking for the goal scorer now. Kumasi Asante going to go in trouble now. And the penalty has been given. Midyema do have a penalty. What a moment there for Kumasi Asante going to call that piece of work. Now the magic has been happening. And Midyema SC do have this. Prince Owusu. 1-2 and in the box there. Turn around there. Oh yes, he caught him. Absolutely. That was a contact. There was a contact. Tell you what, there's going to be an opportunity now for Desmond Bafo is out for Paul Yeboah. Before the penalty is taken there by Mubarak Yusuf. It's got Kamara to beat there. Mubarak Yusuf against Kamara. Mubarak Yusuf 2-0. It is Midyema SC making it very simple and easy against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Just under 20 minutes. It is Kotoko 0, Midyema 2.
That's a steal by the former Kotoko player, Mari. Calm, composed, just gets the job done. Spotting that direction, trying to save that one. There's no way he was going to save that. It's a bullet trying to put that a bit high up, ensuring that Kamara